हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू योर चैनल इग्नू लर्निंग सेंटर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं फरवरी 2021 में BEVAE 181 के एग्ज़ाम से पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस और उनके आंसर्स को। ये वीडियो इंग्लिश मीडियम वालों के लिए है। अगर आप हिंदी मीडियम में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है, आप उसे चेकआउट कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए बिना देर के शुरू करते हैं। आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि इस चैनल पे आपको इग्नू से रिलेटेड स्टडी मटेरियल्स और इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं, तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले और वीडियो को लाइक कर ले ताकि मुझे मोटिवेशन मिल सके। जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि BEVAE का जो एग्ज़ाम होता है वो 2 घंटे का होता है और इसमें 50 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं और हर एक क्वेश्चन एक एक नंबर के होते हैं और इस एग्ज़ाम में कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, तो आप सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट जरूर करिएगा। तो ये वीडियो आपके आने वाले एग्जाम में काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होने वाली है, तो वीडियो में अंत तक बने रहें। तो चलिए बिना देर किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिपोर्ट्स बुक्स वॉज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट फॉर्मली डिफाइंड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। तो इसका जो सही आंसर हो जाएगा, उस बुक का जो नाम है वो है आवर कॉमन फ्यूचर। आवर कॉमन फ्यूचर इज द बुक इन विच सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट फॉर्मली डिफाइंड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स अडॉप्टेड बाय UN। तो इनमें से कौन सा है जो 7 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स या जो UN द्वारा अडॉप्ट किया गया था वो कौन सा नहीं है, ये आपको बताना है। तो इसमें जो आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 4, टूरिज्म एंड ट्रैवल। टूरिज्म एंड ट्रैवल is not the 7th sustainable development goals adopted by the UN. Next question है, which one of the following is an example of human modified environment? तो example of human modified environment is orchards. Orchard is the example of human modified environment. तो option number 2 is correct. Next 4 number question, in which of the following do forests not play a significant role? तो इन रीजनरेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉरेस्ट डज नॉट प्ले ए सिग्निफिकेंट रोल। तो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज करेक्ट, रीजनरेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। फॉरेस्ट ऑलवेज प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑक्सीजन, नॉट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। नेक्स्ट 5th नंबर क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रीजन्स कवर मोर देन 50% प्लांट स्पीसीज इन द वर्ल्ड। तो ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट इज द रीजन which covered more than 50% plants in the world. Option number 1 is correct. Next 6 number question, crown fire mostly take place in which of the following forest? So crown fire mostly take place in the dense forest. Option number 1 is correct, dense forest. Next 7 number question, communities residing near waste disposal sites receiving less economic benefits than the communities generating the waste represents. तो दिस स्टेटमेंट रिप्रेजेंट्स इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4, जियोग्राफिकल इनइक्वालिटी। जियोग्राफिकल इनइक्वालिटी, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कम्युनिटीज डज नॉट हैव ए स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ स्टीवर्डशिप। तो द pastoral community does not have a strong sense of stewardship. Next 9 number, which one of the following views consider nature as a mother and that she cannot tempt? So correct answer is second number, Indian view consider nature as mother. Next 10 number question, the water cycle is driven by the sun. Option number 2 is correct, the sun. Next 11 number question, chemosynthetic bacteria are autotrophs. Option number 3 is correct. Next 12 number question, life does not exist beyond 9,000 meter above the sea level. So life does not exist beyond the 9,000 meter. Option number 4 is correct. Next 13 number question, in a ecosystem the decomposition of organism take place by reducers. Option number 2. Option number 2 is correct, reduces. Next, 14 number question. The increase in population between 10,000 BC and about 1800 AD coincided with the growth in agriculture. Option number 1 is correct, growth in agriculture. Next, 15 number question. During the 14th century, more than half of the population of Europe and Asia was killed due to. More than half population was killed by the bubonic plague. Bubonic plague was the disease by which in 14th century more than half population of Europe and Asia were killed. 16 number question. Which one of the following is not a genetic disease? So malaria is not a genetic disease. So option number 3 is correct. 17 question. Match type of environmental influence with their respective category. The correct arrangement of this question is option number 2. Poison. Poison is a chemical. Noise. Noise is physical. Overcrowding is sociological. And allergens are biological. So option number 2 is correct. Next, 18 number. In a coniferous forest, the soil is basic and mineral deficient. The soil is basic and mineral deficient. Option number 3 is correct. Next, 19 number. The organisms which are attached to stems and leaves of rooted plants are known as. The organism which attached to stems and leaf of rooted plants are known as. Third number, periphyton. Periphyton are the organism which attached to the stems and leaf of rooted plants. Question number 20. In an ocean, the zone showing maximum variability in terms of temperature, light, salinity and moisture is littoral zone. Littoral zone is an zone which has variability in terms of temperature, light, salinity and moisture. Next, 21 number question. An estuary is a transitional zone representing unique ecological feature and biotic communities. Option number 4 is correct. Next, 22 number question. Which of the following is a major cause of deforestation? The forest fires is the major cause of deforestation. Option number 1. Next, 23 number. Passenger pigeon is the perfect example of loss of species due to. Passenger pigeon is loss of species due to selective destruction of food. Option number 4 is correct. Next question, 24 number. The weed which cause enormous damage in fish and rice crop is. The weed which cause enormous damage in fish and rice crop is. First number, water hyacinth. Water hyacinth cause enormous damage in fish and rice crops. 25 number question. Artificial insemination has been useful for conservation of. So artificial insemination is useful in conservation of elephants. Option number 3rd. 26 number question. Which one of the following is not a major characteristics biodiversity hotspot? Correct answer is option number 4, large number of exotic species. 27 number. Which one of the following areas in India is a hotspot of biodiversity? The hotspot of biodiversity in India is the region in Western Ghats. The correct answer जो होगा वो Western Ghats. The correct answer is option number 2, Western Ghats. Next, 28 number question. Which one of the following has the maximum genetic diversity in India? Maximum genetic diversity in India, the plant is mango. The mango plant has maximum genetic diversity in India. Next, 29 number. Which one of the following has maximum percentage of availability of water? The groundwater. Groundwater has maximum percentage of availability of water. Next, 30 number. Among the ecosystem mentioned below, where can one find maximum biodiversity? So we can find maximum biodiversity in mangroves. Mangroves forest have maximum biodiversity. Option number 1 is correct. How much water on the earth is readily accessible for human use? So approx 1% of water is readily accessible for human use. So option number 2 is correct. Next 32 number. The soil which is low in organic matter and has low fertility in India is. The correct answer will be option number 3, soil of desert region. Next 33 number question. Which of the following is not a practice used to prevent soil erosion? The correct answer is option number 2, cool. Cool is not practiced to prevent soil erosion. Next 34 number. Identify the conventional source of energy from the following. The conventional source of energy from the following is atomic energy. Next, biomass gasifier converts solid fuel to gaseous fuel. So option number 1 is correct. Question number 36. The most suitable fuel for a fuel cell is. The most suitable fuel for a fuel cell is option number 3, hydrogen. Question number 37. The biophysical carrying capacity is dash population that can be supported by the resource of the planet at a given level of technology. The correct answer is option number 2, the maximum. The maximum population that can be supported by the resource of the planet at a given level of technology. Next 38 number. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Chlorine is not an greenhouse gas. Option number 4 is correct. Next 39 number. Which of the following is not related to climate change? Protocol. Option number 4. Montreal Protocol is not related to climate change. Next 40 number. The ozone layer is present in which of the following ranges of atmosphere? The ozone layer is present between 15 to 50 km in atmosphere from the Earth's surface. Option number 2 is correct. Next 41 number question. The pH of rainfall was measured to be as per the following at 4 places A, B, C and D. Which place had the acid deposition? तो सिंपली पूछा गया है कि इनमें से कौन सा एसिड रेन हुआ है किस केस में. तो एसिड रेन जो होती है उसकी जो पीएच वैल्यू होती है वो 5.7 से कम होती है. तो यहाँ पे एक ही ऑप्शन है जिसमें 5.7 से कम है, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1, 5.5. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 1, 5.5. तो याद रखिएगा 5.7 से अगर कम पीएच वैल्यू होती है रेन की तो वो एसिड रेन कहलाता है. नेक्स्ट 42 नंबर क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केमिकल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ओजोन डिप्लेशन? तो दैट केमिकल इज क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन. क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन यानी कि CFC इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ओजोन डिप्लेशन. नेक्स्ट 43 नंबर क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एनिमल्स exudates very concentrated urine? So that animal is camel. Camel exudates very concentrated urine. Option number 1 is correct. Next 44 number question. Which of the following is an example of non-point source of pollution? So non-point source of pollution is option number 1, runoffs from agricultural fields. Option number 1 is correct, runoffs from agricultural fields. Next 45 number question. When was the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act enacted? So that this act was enacted in 1974. Option number 1 is correct. Next question. The main objective of UNFCCC. The main objective of UNFCCC is option number 1, greenhouse gases. UNFCCC का फुल फॉर्म हो जाएगा यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन ऑन क्लाइमेट चेंज. यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन फॉर क्लाइमेट चेंज. तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो ऑप्शन नंबर 1, ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. नेक्स्ट 47 नंबर क्वेश्चन. विच इज नॉट ए वेस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन मेथड? तो वेस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन मेथड कौन सा नहीं है ये आपको बताना है. तो द ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4, landfill. Landfill is not waste minimization method. Next 48 number. Which is the best method for disposal of hospital and toxic waste? So this method is incineration. Incineration is the method for disposal of hospital and toxic waste. Option number 1 is correct. Next 49 number question. Which method is commonly used to assess the presence of organism in water body? This method is called DO, यानी कि dissolve oxygen. Dissolve oxygen is the method to assess the presence of organism in water body. Next 50 number and last question is NBA has been set up under the Biological Diversity Act. ऑप्शन नंबर 3. तो आपको एनबीए का फुल फॉर्म भी याद रखना है. एनबीए का फुल फॉर्म हो जाएगा नेशनल बायोडाइवर्सिटी अथॉरिटी. तो नेशनल बायोडाइवर्सिटी अथॉरिटी जो है वो सेटअप की गई थी द बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी एक्ट के अंतर्गत. तो ये आपको याद रखिएगा. तो ये थे इंपॉर्टेंट BEVAE 181 फरवरी 2021 में पूछे गए क्वेश्चन और उसके आंसर. आशा करता हूँ आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. तो आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके लाइक कर दे ताकि मैं इसी तरह की वीडियो आपके लिए लाता रहूँ. तो मिलते हैं अगले किसी वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.